Today's Wednesday, August 26th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood Limousine Series 75 in-dash climate controller unit. This is from my friend Steven in California. The unit has been completely disassembled as shown in all the two predecessor videos. And this is the fully assembled final embodiment. The unit has been calibrated, tested, fully functional. As we can see, the level of detail, it is a highly detailed show quality unit. Okay, the rotary vacuum manifold has been disassembled, precision lapped to a 0 micro finish with a 50,000 grit abrasive slurry, polished to a mirror finish, so you have a high integrity metal on metal vacuum seal. Okay, these electromechanical systems were very advanced for the day in terms of providing automatic climate controller. The potentiometer in this instance was changed out, as well as the primary board. Okay, this is what the units look like when they arrive quite often. Very nasty. And one thing that's very interesting is in the Limousine variant there is no vent. Okay, so we stop here at the off position as opposed to the vent positions which you see on the DeVilles and the Eldorados. You have a unique and distinctly different purge valve mechanism in the 70 Fleetwood Limousine variant, and of course no vent as we said earlier. So this is Eldorado, Georgia and Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including all the air conditioning components, such as the in-dash climate controllers, the air conditioning power servos, both singular and duplex, the air conditioning programmer units from 71 and thereafter, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, August 26th. This is Eldorado, Georgia and Florida. Thank you very kindly.